The Great Sundowner. Prof Bio Research presents The Great Sundowner 11th edition, Iron Sharpens Iron, Ekyuma Kiwagala Kyuma, on 30th August 2026 to 1st September 2026 at Mengo Sentezimeda Committee Grounds. Former backpackers. Key trainers, OMUKENKUFU NYANZI Julius, Carbon Credit Group, Agribusiness Financiers. Session 1, Science and Technology, Advanced Freeze-Drying Technology for Preserving High-Value Products, Automated Laundry Soap Production, Commercial CEDAR Oil Production as a high-income business. Session 2, Agricultural Financing, Carbon Credit Opportunities through CEDAR Tree Planting, Monk Fruit Club Financing, Commercial Coconut Oil Production and Processing. Buy any one of the following EKITEREKE packages: ASIIKA OBULAMU, TOFUUKA MAPENGO, KAGEZI MUNNYO, or all 3 packages and stand a chance to win KABEJJA, an automatic soap-making machine capable of producing 1,000 bars of soap per day. Entry fee is 100,000 shillings. Special offer: registered Amatugunda Monk Fruit Club members will pay only 50,000 shillings. Please remember to bring your membership card. Book your ticket today via mobile money on 0703 152 152. The Great Sundowner 11th edition. Iron sharpens iron. Ekyuma Kiwagala Kyuma.